How to get new shields in Monopoly Go. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you guys will be able to get new shields depending on the event, of course, in Monopoly Go. Now, the first step or the first method is by completing your albums over here, by playing the game, by getting some different cards and getting the rewards that you will be able to get in the album creation over here. Now, some collection will allow you to get shields, just like this one over here, Mary Scrooge. And aside from that, through the different events, just like this one, Sleigh Race, and Winter Wonderland, it will reward you with different shields as well. Of course, it's not a guaranteed reward, but that is something you will be able to get. And over here in the shields as well, this is where you could monitor and check the different shields that you have and can get. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to get some new shields in Monopoly Go.